Hi, I'm Marcus from Austria, and I just wanted to talk to all the young people around the world and tell you to kind of take every opportunity that you might get, and even if it's sometimes scary, and to kind of walk up to a person and just ask them a simple thing, just do it and try it, because I did that today. Because I'm moving to London next year, and it will be a great experience because I've made many friends in Austria, but now I'm leaving all that behind, and I know it's kind of scary, but it will be a big step. And I asked one of the people today from the UK, and he's a politician there, and I asked him if he knows some ways that people can get active in politics in the UK, and he said, "Oh, I know some friends that are MPs, and maybe you can work at their offices." And I was like, "Wow!" So just go up to people and talk to them, because there's amazing opportunities maybe hiding in plain sight.